Colonel Justus Kambale Museveni, Commander 45, based in Barawe district. Today we have the joint operations. This is composed of the AUSOM and the SNA. The purpose of this operation is more or less for a dream, but we all know what's happening in Mogadishu, areas of Baraka, Tigri, Iri, Danori, and other surrounding areas. Our sector is Barawe, has been reported. We have a lot of influx. Have run away this end, and it's believed that they are occupied the areas of Sabrali, Chiru, Road, Motumbari, American Junction, T Junction, Punjibori, and we decided that we better launch a joint operation with our friendly forces, SNA. This is what we are doing now. As I talk, we are past T Junction towards Sabrari, and our aim that we want to come to those areas that Al-Shabaab is flushing out completely. And this operation will continue carried out until Al-Shabaab is sent away or captured, and want to eliminate robbing attacks against our. That's why we are here with our friendly forces. Name is Brigade Commander, and 6 Brigade, and together with our brigade commanders, like our AUSOM, I have 145 and my counterpart, he has his own battalion commander, who is with us this morning. Thank you so much. Justus Kambale Museveni, the battle group commander, battle group 45, is based in Barawe at the headquarters. We have various corps in Barawe, and this is the second subsector. The first is Bardami subsector, Barawe is the second subsector, and today we decided to launch a joint operation in the Barawe subsector. As my colleague has just said, those areas so far we have been comped. And as I talk now, Al-Shabaab is on run. The areas of Baldoi, Sablale, direction, Letiru, Barawe, T Junction. We know Al-Shabaab has completely run away. Al-Shabaab, we know where you are. And this is the message to them. They better surrender before we capture them. We have limited time. Given to them, they should surrender to Somali National Security Forces or AUSOM before we capture them. I have very clear instructions, orders from my Sector 1 Commander, Brigadier General Jackson Kayanja, who is based in Mogadishu. My mission is simple. With the security forces supporting us to capture Al-Shabaab. Al-Shabaab, where they are, they can come and join the Somali security forces, and they work together. Besides that, we are going to capture them. And to the civilians, we want to assure civilians that this time we are here protecting them. And all what we are doing is within the mandate of AUSOM, protect the civilians. They need to get worried. This is their time to cultivate. It's the rainy season. We have just passed through gardens with good plantations. They should take this advantage of cultivating their plants, their crops, and the food, because this is the season before the dry season. Our appeal to them, if they so happen to say Al-Shabaab, they should be able to report their movements within the area so that we are able to capture them. We are here to protect them, their animals, their properties is why we are here. And the joint force, for reference, they will continue. Next week we'll have a serious one, which is to capture Sabrare. Shabaab in Sabrare, please, you better come out before we come to you. And this is what my colleague, the Brigade Commander, have just said. We are not here to stay. We are here to stay, and we are not here to sit down. So I'll hunt for you. So I thank my Brigade Commander, his commanders, and the AUSOM for the support they have given us. We can assure you, your support, Al-Shabaab will be no more in Marawi. This issue of running away from Kontuwari, Mariangwai, they think Marawi is a safe haven. We are going to capture them. It's better either go back or surrender to AUSOM or SNA and work together. Otherwise, I thank all who have participated in the operation, commanders on levels, our national security forces, and our AMISOM commanders. And thanks for this operation. And we hope we'll continue with this one spirit, teamwork, and we shall wipe up Al-Shabaab wherever you are. Thanks so much. God bless you. Yeah, we assurance as AUSOM within our mandate. We have the task, one of the gross tasks of protecting the civilians, and this is why we are doing this. We just to assure the civilians of Marawi district and the surroundings that they should feel free, they are protected, and we are ready to protect them. They do not get worried. So when we are AMISOM and the SNA, it's our mandate to protect them. That's what we are doing now. And we need to recommend, I need to recommend the joint forces. One of our mandates as AUSOM, we need to operate jointly as I say, one of our mandates, because as we wind up our mission, we need to meet our friendly forces, the SNA, to take over after one time exceed this mission. Thank you so much.
meeshaan ku magacaaban tahay hawlgalkaas inuu ku ekaa ciidamada hadda ku sugan yihiin ciidamada dhowr jeer dhowrkaa jiho waxa weeye dhinaca baroodooyina waa baxeen ceelkeena xaggiisa dhinacaan saddex aqab iyo weli goof iyo mid kaalmowna waa baxeen saddexdaa jihaan ku baxnay galka ka qabanay insha allahu kawaariista halkaas bay ciidamada ku baacsadeen ciidanka xoogga dalka Soomaaliyeed isgarabsanayo hawlgalka ku wada socda oo kala harsanayn halkaas waxaan hawlgal ballaaran oo naan ka soo laaban doonin hawlgalkaas wuu socon doonaa insha allah wuu sii socon doonaa xawaariijta meelo badan oo haddeer baan ka xaqiijino ka qabsanay ayaa sii wadi doonaa ilaahay yiraahdo insha allah sablaal hadda wuxuu noo jiraa 10 kilomitir isagana waa kulli haddii ilaahay yiraahdo u tabaabushaysanayna inaan ka laabanno ma rabno hadafkanagu maahan hadafkanagu waa inaan gacanta ku dhignaa hawlgalkaasoo ballaaran oo meel kasta xawaariijta in looga qaadaa amarkeedu uu baxay insha allah haddii ilaahay yiraahdo sidaas baa ciidamadu u hawlgaleen haddana hawlgalku waa socdaa insha allah meeshii aan ugu talagalnay markii hawlgalkaas uu tago ayaa kasoo warbixi doona insha allah xawaariijtuna firxadkoodu dhul badan ay saaka ka firxadeen firxad ballaaran oo ay cararayaan oo ciidamada ay ka cararayaan ayaa jira insha allah kama hari doono insha allah haddii ilaahay yiraahdo ciidamaduna awooddaasi ku socdaa insha allah haddii ilaahay yiraahdo marka sidaas bay noo aanaysaa haddii ilaahay yiraahdo